Is this the budget phone review you came across? Various waterproof and durable features, but it just looks so distressing.
But 99% of people overlook the most crucial issue of smoothness in budget phones. Elders aren't afraid of dropping it, but I'm really worried it might lag. Let's take a look at the smoothness of budget phones now with the newly released OPPO A6 Pro. Besides the chip, the key to smoothness can be seen by comparing Apple and Android from 7 years ago, and you'll understand how valuable the system is. I first tested the basic lighting animations of the A6 Pro and the switching between applications.
There is video evidence, and it's really not forced. It operates very smoothly, so the first lag is absolutely impossible. But then I tested it again, and there was no noticeable lag when continuously scrolling through Douyin, so using it daily for WeChat and making calls is even less of a problem. I believe that for a budget phone aimed at older users, being able to meet basic needs without lag is more than enough. Of course, if you insist on having them play games, I also tested it for you. Honor of Kings can easily run at 90 frames per second, and even adding Peacekeeper Elite at 60 frames per second is not a big issue. Anyway, it can easily handle light gaming entertainment. In terms of durability, top-level waterproofing is just its basic entry ticket. It can easily handle various water immersion, high temperatures, and high-pressure washing. It also needs a diamond-like structure along with flagship-grade forged glass to withstand everyday accidental drops. Additionally, the 6.57-inch small screen feels just right, with an almost equilateral display, offering a very flagship-like visual experience. The global 1400 nits boost for ultra-high screen brightness keeps it clear outdoors, and with 2160Hz P3 dimming, you don't need to envy flagship screens. Now, even budget phones can offer clear visuals. Additionally, OPPO has equipped the A series with the Shanghai RF antenna architecture, giving it a super strong signal and greatly enhancing its communication ability in weak network environments. There's also the maximum external speaker adjustment with a super large 300% volume. The key is that it can also intelligently connect with two-wheeled electric vehicles, and these are the true core features for elders.